Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix HSBC app that is not working on your phone, right? Or whether it shows the error of 103, then how you can fix it. So the very first thing you have to do it, just go to the Play Store, and if you're using iOS then just go to the App Store and make sure to update this mobile application, right? So if you see an option of update in the place of open, just update it right now, and this may fix a problem. But if it doesn't, and just also check that you have reliable internet connection, or make sure that the server is not down, right? Because this type of error shows when there is not a reliable internet connection, or maybe sometime during the server is down of this mobile application, right? So if this doesn't fix your problem, then click and hold and just go to the app info, and after that you have to click on the storage usage. You can just go from the settings tool and you have to clear all the cache. After clearing the cache, just reopen the app. This may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then I'm just going to give you a very good solution for it. Just clear the data, okay? Because clearing the data will unload and delete all the wasteful data that is present in your phone, and that is present in your this mobile application that is making slow this mobile application. So this will fix all of your problem that is happening right now in this HSBC UK app, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.